Did you know that by 2025, the global AI market is expected to reach a staggering $190 billion? Incredible, isn't it? Now let's take a step back and look at how we got here. Over the past few years, artificial intelligence has grown at an unprecedented pace. It went from being a distant futuristic concept to a daily reality for many of us, to an indispensable tool in almost every industry. This explosive growth isn't slowing down either. Quite the contrary, it's expected to accelerate even more in the next 5 years. The reason? Well, it's simple. AI is transformative. It's changing the way we do business, the way we learn, even the way we live our daily lives. Let's take manufacturing, for instance. AI-powered automation and robotics are reshaping the production lines, making them more efficient, more precise, and less prone to errors. And this is just the beginning. The potential applications of AI in manufacturing are virtually limitless. But AI isn't only transforming the way we make things, it's also changing the way we learn. In education, AI is being used to personalize learning, making it more engaging and effective. It's helping teachers identify learning gaps and address them in real time, leading to better outcomes for students. AI is also revolutionizing our personal lives. From virtual assistants that help organize our days, to smart home devices that automate our routines, to personalized recommendations that make our online experiences more enjoyable, AI is making our lives easier and more convenient in countless ways. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. As AI continues to advance, we can expect it to play an increasingly important role in sectors like safety and security, space exploration, health, and many others. The bottom line is this: AI is here to stay, and it's changing the world as we know it. With such a rapid pace of development, staying informed about AI is not just an option, it's a necessity. Ever wondered how AI could revolutionize the manufacturing sector and spur economic development? Let's delve into the realm of possibilities. Artificial intelligence, a term once associated with sci-fi movies and futuristic dystopias, is now an integral part of our reality, shaping and transforming various sectors, manufacturing included. Imagine a factory floor where machines intuitively adjust their operations based on real-time data, or a production line that self-optimizes to reduce waste and boost efficiency. This isn't a distant reality, it's the promise AI holds for manufacturing in the next 5 years. AI's potential to enhance manufacturing processes is immense. It can streamline operations, reduce downtime, and significantly cut costs. Predictive maintenance powered by AI can analyze equipment data to predict when a machine might fail, saving time and money on unexpected repairs. AI can also optimize logistics, making supply chains more efficient and less prone to disruption. But AI doesn't stop at improving processes. It's also a powerful catalyst for innovation. AI can aid in product development by analyzing market trends and consumer preferences, enabling manufacturers to create products that truly resonate with their customers. Now let's consider the wider economic implications. When manufacturing becomes more efficient and innovative, it can drive economic growth. Cost savings and increased productivity can lead to higher profits, which can be reinvested into the economy. Moreover, AI can create new job opportunities. While it's true that automation might replace certain roles, it also necessitates new skills and roles that didn't exist before, like AI specialists and data analysts. Furthermore, AI can fuel economic development by fostering new industries and encouraging entrepreneurship. With AI tools becoming more accessible, startups can leverage this technology to disrupt traditional industries and create novel solutions. In essence, AI has the potential to transform manufacturing from a process-driven sector to a data-driven one, making it more efficient, innovative, and economically impactful. The next 5 years are set to be a pivotal period in this transformation. AI is set to make manufacturing smarter and economies stronger. The future is here and it's powered by AI. How can AI transform the education sector and foster job growth? That's the question that's been on many minds, and believe me, the possibilities are truly exciting. Let's begin with education. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn. Imagine a world where AI can provide personalized learning experiences, tailored to each student's needs. It can identify gaps in learning, adapt teaching methods to individual learning styles, and provide real-time feedback. This isn't some far-off dream, it's a reality that's just around the corner. In the next 5 years, we can expect to see AI-powered learning platforms becoming the norm, making education more accessible and effective for everyone. But it's not just about improving how we learn, it's also about expanding what we learn. As AI continues to permeate every industry, there's going to be a growing demand for professionals who understand and can work with AI. This means we need to start incorporating AI education into our curriculums, not just at the university level but in high schools, middle schools, even elementary schools. The job market of the future will need people who can speak the language of AI. Speaking of job growth, it's a common misconception that AI is a job killer. Yes, again, automation will replace some jobs, but it will also create new ones, many of which we can't even imagine yet. Jobs in AI ethics, AI law, AI healthcare, the list goes on. As these fields grow, so too will the job opportunities. Moreover, AI can also help in job matching, ensuring that companies find the right person for the job, and job seekers find the perfect role that suits their skills and interests. This will not only increase job satisfaction, but also productivity. So what's the bottom line? Over the next 5 years, we're going to see AI reshaping education and job growth in ways that will open up a world of possibilities. We're looking at a future where everyone can have a personalized learning experience, where AI literacy is as common as reading and writing, and where new, exciting jobs are being created every day. Education and job growth are about to get a major AI upgrade. What role can AI play in our personal lives' safety and security? It's a question many of us wonder about as we start to see the growing influence of AI in our everyday lives. Consider personal assistants. In the next 5 years, artificial intelligence will go beyond just scheduling appointments or setting reminders. It will be an integral part of our daily routines, learning from our behaviors, preferences, and habits to provide personalized experiences. Imagine an AI that knows your favorite music, suggests new books based on your reading history, or even helps you cook by providing step-by-step instructions in real time. But AI's role expands beyond convenience. It can also significantly enhance our safety and security. Today, AI-powered security systems can identify suspicious activities, alert authorities, or even predict potential threats based on patterns. In the next 5 years, these systems will become more refined, capable of distinguishing between a stray pet and a potential intruder, reducing false alarms and ensuring quicker response times. AI can also improve online safety. With the rise in cyber threats, AI technologies can help detect unusual activities, identify potential threats, and protect sensitive information. It's like having your personal cybersecurity team working tirelessly to keep you safe. Moreover, AI can play a pivotal role in disaster management. Predictive models powered by AI can help anticipate natural disasters and their potential impacts, allowing for better preparation and response. This can not only save property, but more importantly, it can save lives. And finally, let's not forget about the role of AI in personal health. Wearable technology is already helping us monitor our health in real time. But with AI, these devices could predict potential health issues before they become serious, enabling preventive care and healthier lifestyles. In conclusion, AI's potential to enhance our personal lives, safety, and security is immense. From making our daily routines more convenient to protecting us from physical and digital threats to even helping us stay healthy, AI is set to become an indispensable part of our lives. As we look forward to the next 5 years, one thing is clear. AI is set to make our lives safer, more secure, and more convenient. Can AI take us to new frontiers in space exploration and robotics? This question is not a mere speculation, but a glimpse into the future that is being shaped as we speak. Artificial intelligence has been playing an increasingly pivotal role in both space exploration and robotics. In the realm of space exploration, AI's potential is being harnessed to push the boundaries of what's possible. For instance, AI algorithms are being used to analyze vast amounts of data collected from space probes and satellites, helping us to understand the universe in ways never before imagined. In the next 5 years, we can expect AI to play an even more significant role in unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Predictive algorithms could help us spot potential hazards or points of interest in space, while AI-powered autonomous spacecraft could undertake missions too dangerous or distant for human crews. Turning our gaze from the stars to the world of robotics, we see AI making similarly significant strides. Robots, once limited to performing simple, repetitive tasks, are now equipped with AI capabilities that allow them to learn, adapt, and perform complex operations. In the coming half-decade, we can anticipate a new generation of AI-empowered robots. These machines will not only be able to carry out tasks with greater precision and efficiency, but also understand and interact with their environment in more sophisticated ways. This could lead to breakthroughs in fields as diverse as manufacturing, healthcare, and even domestic chores. Moreover, the convergence of AI, robotics, and space exploration opens up exciting possibilities. Imagine AI-guided robots conducting maintenance on a space station or exploring the surface of Mars, carrying out tasks beyond the reach of human astronauts. So, can AI take us to new frontiers in space exploration and robotics? The answer is a resounding yes. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, we can look forward with anticipation to the ways in which AI will continue to revolutionize these fields. The future of space exploration and robotics is AI-driven. How can AI revolutionize healthcare and push the boundaries of artificial general intelligence? Let's dive in. In the realm of healthcare, artificial intelligence is poised to be a game-changer. Picture this: a world where AI-powered systems can analyze a patient's symptoms, medical history, and genetic data to produce a diagnosis and suggest treatment options. It's not a far-off fantasy, it's the next 5 years. AI is set to significantly enhance disease detection too. Machine learning algorithms, a subset of AI, are being trained to identify patterns in complex medical data, such as radiology images and DNA sequences, that could indicate the presence of a disease. They're becoming so good at this that they're rivaling and sometimes surpassing human experts in accuracy. But it's not just about diagnosis and treatment. AI could also help manage and streamline the patient journey, from scheduling appointments to tracking medication adherence, and even predicting which patients are at risk of serious health problems. It's about proactive, personalized healthcare. Now let's shift gears to artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This is the kind of AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human brain. It's the holy grail of AI research. In the next 5 years, we may not achieve true AGI, but we're making significant strides. We're developing AI systems that can reason, make decisions under uncertainty, plan for the future, and learn from experience. This progress in AI could revolutionize not just healthcare, but every sector of society. AI's potential in healthcare and AGI is vast, but it also presents challenges. Issues of data privacy, ethical use of AI, and the impact on jobs are concerns we must address. But with careful planning and regulation, we can harness AI's power for the greater good. AI is set to redefine healthcare and artificial general intelligence. The future is bright, and it's driven by AI. What does the future hold for AI in terms of self-driving cars, the Internet of Things, virtual reality, augmented reality, and brain-computer interface? As we enter the near future, it's clear that artificial intelligence will play a pivotal role in shaping our world, particularly in how we interact with technology. Let's begin with self-driving cars. Within the next 5 years, we can expect a significant leap in the capabilities of autonomous vehicles. These AI-powered vehicles will not only understand and interpret the environment in real time, but also predict and react to potential hazards, transforming our commute experiences into safer, stress-free journeys. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another domain where AI's influence is rapidly expanding. As more devices become interconnected, AI will be the brain orchestrating this vast network, making our homes, cities, and industries smarter and more efficient. Imagine a world where your refrigerator can detect when you're running low on milk, place an order online, and have it delivered right to your doorstep, all without you lifting a finger. That's the power of AI and IoT. Next, we step into the realm of virtual reality and augmented reality. AI is the game changer here, enhancing these technologies to create more immersive and interactive experiences. Virtual reality, empowered by AI, will become more than just a gaming tool. It will be a platform for virtual tourism, remote learning, and even virtual social interactions. Augmented reality, on the other hand, will seamlessly blend digital elements into our physical world. Think of walking down the street, and your AR glasses show you the best coffee shops nearby, complete with reviews and directions, all in real time. Finally, let's talk about brain-computer interface technology, which is perhaps the most intriguing and futuristic application of AI. This technology aims to create a direct communication pathway between the human brain and an external device. In the next 5 years, we could see significant advancements in this field, with AI-powered interfaces helping people with neurological conditions regain control of their limbs or even communicate their thoughts directly to a computer. As we wrap up this exploration, it's clear that the future of AI is not just exciting, but whether it's making our commutes safer with self-driving cars, streamlining our lives with IoT, enriching our experiences with VR and AR, or pushing the boundaries of what's possible with brain-computer interfaces, AI is at the helm, guiding us into a future where technology is more integrated into our lives than ever before. The future of AI is exciting and full of possibilities. Stay tuned, stay informed, and get ready to embrace the AI-driven future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content on AI and its future.